Alright, this is our daughter's 2016 Toyota Corolla. The LE Plus comes with these really nice wheels, and we noticed that it did not have any locking lug nuts on it. So I would recommend paying more for genuine locking lug nuts from your dealership, no matter what kind of vehicle you own. I would just price check. You know, you can price check Amazon for the genuine part and also your parts counter. So that's what I did. And these were very similar in price on Amazon and at the Toyota parts counter. These are genuine Toyota wheel locks specifically made for this vehicle. And there are differences, you know, when you there's a different shape of the cone when you have a lug nut. There's a cone shape, and so you don't really know what you're getting when you buy aftermarket. So on Amazon you might find a whole set of wheel locks and a key for like 20 bucks. Well, you got to be suspect of that. These are probably going to be somewhere between $63 and $70, something like that. So what you do, the idea here is you would remove one lug nut. You can do this when it's on the ground. I just happen to be doing a tire rotation. But if it was you and you just bought those and you want to go put them on, you just pick one lug nut on each wheel to remove. And so we use our 21 millimeter wheel socket to take off your lug nut of choice, and go ahead and set that aside. I've got some heavy duty scissors here to cut open these packages that are kind of hard to get into sometimes. So you just kind of bust open everything. You probably want to save the paperwork in there. It's probably got some part numbers and everything. This is our key that it comes with. And then these are our new lug nuts. They do come with fresh washers, which is nice. What I was meaning by the cone angle is like this part right here that bevels, and that's going to make it fit correctly for this vehicle. This key is going to fit into this weird shape right here until it kind of locks in like that. You see that? So at first it may not lock in. You got to rotate it slowly until it locks in. And we're just going to replace one lug nut on each wheel with this one. So we'll just kind of hand tighten this. Just kind of hand tighten it. Let's kind of get our key on there. It's locked in. And we just kind of snug it down when it's off the ground like this. Okay, and then we'll torque it down when it gets on the ground. If yours is already on the ground, you can torque it down. They get torqued down to 76 foot-pounds. So I hope that's been helpful. I will put links in the video description to these wheel locks if you want to buy them on Amazon. They are the genuine Toyota wheel locks. You're welcome to check that price at your local Toyota parts counter. They are exactly the same. I did check what the parts counter ones were and what the ones were on Amazon. The photograph and everything is identical. And also, in case you don't have it, I'll put a set of these special sockets that are used to do wheels. I'll put a tire inflator in there that you can use, and a torque wrench that you can use if you don't already own that. Thank you for watching.